Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix Safari says cannot open page. If Safari displays cannot open page on your iPhone or iPad, the problem is usually caused by your internet connection, website issues, or Safari settings. So try these fixes. So first is to reload the web page. So tap the reload button in Safari at the bottom. Now if the page still won't load, you can close Safari and reopen it. So close it, swipe it away, and open Safari again and see if that works. Next, you can also swipe down until it reloads, then see if that works. Next is to restart your iPhone or iPad. So you can turn your device off and wait about 30 seconds, then turn it back on and try opening the page again. Next is to clear Safari history and website data. Go to Settings, scroll down to the bottom and go to Apps. Now under Apps, look for Safari, open it, then scroll down to the bottom and look for Clear History and Website Data under History and Website Data. So click on it. Then at the top, select the time frame. Then select Clear History to confirm the action. So once done, go back to Safari, reload the page, and see if that works. Next is to disable VPN or content blockers. If you're using a VPN or an ad blocker, so you can go to your settings. Now on settings, scroll down and go to general. Now in here, scroll down and look for VPN. So select VPN and device management, then disable any Safari content blockers and test the page again and see if that works. Next is to check screen time restrictions. If certain websites are blocked, so you can open settings. So on settings, scroll down and tap screen time. Then in here, scroll down and look for content and privacy restrictions. Select that. So check web content settings to make sure the site isn't restricted. So you can toggle this on and check the web content settings. Then make sure it isn't restricted. Then go back to Safari and try it again and see if that works. Next is to update iOS. So open your phone settings, then go to General, then go to Software Update and install any available updates. So once updated, go ahead and try it again and see if that works. Next is to check your internet connection. So go to Settings and go to Wi-Fi. Then make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection. You can turn this off for about 10 to 30 seconds, then turn it back on and try connecting to a Wi-Fi again and see if that works. You can also switch to a mobile data and see if that works. And that's it. Thank you for watching.